going on another glass bottom boat tour with Captain Phillips. I'm so excited to get back in the water. Yesterday we saw a turtle because it is turtle season here in Trinidad and Tobago. So if you love turtles like me, leatherback turtles, this is the season to come and see them lay eggs on the beach and waddle themselves back into the ocean. And they're so big and beautiful, and their eggs are like the size of softballs, maybe a little bigger. So yeah, it's gonna be a great day. See you later. Day in the life of an American living in Trinidad. Oh my gosh, I didn't even rub in all of my sunblock. I'm trying to use sunblock more because last time I got severely burnt. This time we're not playing burnt games. We are using our sunblocks, ladies. Sunblocks all day. Hey guys, it's another day in Tobago on Captain Phillips boat tours. I'm super excited to get back in the water. The Nylon pool was so beautiful and blue yesterday. We saw a leatherback turtle, and this is the season for leatherback turtles. So if you're a turtle lover like me, you gotta get down to Tobago, baby, because the turtles are out and they're laying eggs, and their eggs are the size of softballs, like maybe like this big, and they like lay like 150 or 200 of them. So I'm excited to see the leatherback turtles. Yay! Bye. Yeah, I got like a huge walk. What happened to small man, Captain? One of my favorite things about Tobago is all the seagulls and the birds that you see in the air right now. Every morning, these seagulls will like surf the air to look for fish for breakfast, and they dive down really quick and eat them, and it's so cool. I love it. I met a few new friends this trip. 𝐦𝐤𝐬, who I believe is from Amsterdam, and 2 first mate, second mates for the boat, and they're doing a really good job, you guys. Like, you not scared of falling off?
Have you never fallen off?
You never fallen off before? What if I push you? Smile, 𝐦𝐤𝐬.
Yes.
My eyes are good for that.
The eyes are good for that?
So you're from Trinidad?
No, Brooklyn, New York, but my mom is born and raised in Trinidad, and I just moved here.
I mean, for a little vacation.
No, I work with Captain Phillips. Smile. Well, and hi, what is your name?
Oh, Brandon.
Brandon, how are you?
Good.
Okay, so what made you pick Captain Phillips boat tours to come on?
This tour is a wonderful tour. I always experience the best time on this boat. That's why I'm here today. I bring my families and my friends, and we all come to enjoy the day today.
Awesome. We're gonna
get to see turtles, rays, mantles. So that's why we're here.
Thank you.
So you doing it?
Yes, I see it. Is that a stingray? Oh my gosh, the stingray. I got my sunblock, guys. Captain Phillips likes to make everyone feel like home, and even though he is hanging out with the guests on the boat, he's always watching and looking out for our safety and making sure nobody is falling off board or doing something they shouldn't do. So he's always watching. And my favorite part of the tour is when he shows us the common starfish and the rest of the marine life through the glass bottom boats. And you can see that everyone's looking at the bottom of the boat so they can see all of the marine life. And our first stop on the tour is snorkeling. And snorkeling is really fun. He provides the snorkel gear and the life vest. And if you don't want a life vest, you can also do a noodle, which is what I do.
So supreme, yeah. And when they
Yeah, we would need to find a spot.
Even the babies love the nylon pool. Look at her in her little floaty. She is too cute. And if you're not a great swimmer, this is the great place to be because the nylon pool is very shallow, as you can see.
Oh, because those people? Oh. Down my hands.
Oh my gosh, I have to like... Oh,
Ooh, really nice.
Ooh, take a couple pictures of me.
Okay, I'll stop.
I'm just gonna float in front of you and then like, get back up, okay?
Okay, I've already started the video, but it's okay. You can crop it.
Hold on, let me face towards you. Zion? Hold on. I see you. Zion, I didn't know you did the jet skis.
You can do a video with the jet ski too. I think that would be very cool.
Okay. Are you taking 1X or 0.5?
Now, yes.
Hey guys, I'm with Zion. This is the jet ski. When you come to Tobago, you should totally ride it. Hey guys, this is Zion. This is a jet ski. If you're in Tobago, you should totally come and ride it. One.
Not.
Hey, what's your name?
My name is Zion.
And what are you doing here in the Nylon pool today? Jet ski tours.
Yeah.
Cool. How long you been doing that?
I did this my whole life.
Your whole life? So you're a seaman,
Yes.
a merman.
No.
Okay, thanks. Hi, what's your name?
before you even start, what are we doing here?
We're doing a little interview for IG. Okay. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Akil. I'm a glass but I'm boat tour guide. And as you can see, I'm here with the jet ski today.
Uh-huh.
So you guys can come and meet me at Tobago. We are at Nylon Pool. That's our boat there.
What's our boat called?
Cool Runnings.
No, it's Captain Phil's Boat Tours. Get it right.
Cool Runnings. Miss you just fun.
Okay, Cool Runnings is the other boat. You have to say Captain Phillips because we don't know who Cool Runnings is.
You will tell me so they will know.
They'll know because it's going to be on his page. It's not going to be on Cool Runnings page.
It's the same thing. My thought.
Okay, guys, we are here in Tobago. This is Luxa. Hi. And we're having so much much fun, and what a beautiful day it is today. And the water's blue. Come to the Nylon pool if you're ever in Tobago. Bye.
Just now. I'll show them the nylon pool.
He is a professional.
Yeah, it's okay. Hold on, sorry, I got sand in my eyes. What?
Don't strain yourself.
Don't get on the video, get in my video.
No, I was just trying to.
Don't worry, bring the jet ski inside.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the sun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you. Bye.